Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use MidJourney AI for quick design creations. Step 1. Set up your MidJourney account. Sign up for MidJourney. Visit the MidJourney website and sign up for an account. You can sign up using your Google account or your Discord. Once you've signed up, connect your Discord account to MidJourney and join the server to start generating images. Join the MidJourney Discord server. After logging in, join the official MidJourney Discord server. You'll have to access to different channels based on image generation request. Inside Discord, you will see channels like hashtag newbies, general creation, and others where users request images or interact with the bot. Now, to start generating a design by typing slash imagine and command followed by a description of the design you want. For example, slash image logo for a modern tech startup with blue and green colors. What I'm showing right now are the examples of the prompt and images that they get. These are the examples, and if you want to save this one or download this, just right click and save us. Now, as you can see, you can also experiment with variations. Once you receive your initial design, MidJourney allows you to create variations of it. You can use buttons like U1, U2, U3, U4 to upscale, improve quality, or V1, V2, V3, V4 to generate variations based on the selected image. Basically, that's it. Again, to start, just type slash imagine and prompts. You can generate background images, icons, full page designs for websites. You can create custom headers, product visuals, or even entire website themes by describing the layout and style. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.